It took me 6 months to earn almost 9,000 euros as a 17-year-old student. I didn't have a full-time job. I wasn't some editing genius. I didn't have a massive following. In fact, I only had 2 to 3 hours of free time each day after school and homework. Still, I managed to consistently earn around $1,500 per month for 4 straight months. How? By simply posting one YouTube short every day. No courses, no shoutouts, no fancy equipment, just a strategy that actually worked. Now I know what you're thinking. The algorithm is broken. It's random. It doesn't make sense. You post a short and it gets 0 views. You post another and it barely scrapes past 100 views. You post 20 more and the best one caps at 10K views, if you're lucky. And yeah, I've been there too. I went through the exact same thing. I doubted myself. I questioned if I was wasting time, and I even thought about quitting multiple times. But I didn't, because each time I learned something new, and eventually, one short blew up, and that changed everything. So here's the truth that no one tells you. It's not the algorithm that's broken. You just haven't cracked the formula yet. Let me break down what actually worked for me and how I went from getting 0 views to pulling in millions and making money consistently as a teenager. Step 1. Understanding the algorithm. It's not as mysterious as you think. YouTube's algorithm isn't out to get you. It has one simple goal: keep viewers on the platform as long as possible. That's it. So how do shorts play into that? If people immediately swipe away from your video or stop watching halfway, YouTube sees your short as boring, and boring content doesn't get pushed. But if people stay and watch all the way through, maybe even watch it again, then boom, you've got a viral signal. YouTube sees that your content keeps people hooked and rewards you by showing it to more users. Here's the wild part. I had a short that couldn't even hit 100K views for an entire month. I thought it flopped, but I didn't delete it. I left it up. A few weeks later, it exploded, and now it has over 2 million views. On the flip side, I've had shorts go viral overnight. Both scenarios are possible, but neither happens without a solid foundation. Step 2. Your idea is everything. Don't skip this. If your idea sucks, nothing else matters. Not your editing, not your voiceover, not your captions. I used almost the same editing style on every short I made. Some got millions of views, others didn't even cross 10K. The difference? The idea. Start by studying trending videos in your niche. Find patterns in what's working, then take that concept and push it further. Add a twist, a better hook, a more relatable example, or pull inspiration from other niches and remix it into your own. Let me give you a real example. There's a creator called Kama who makes Minecraft shorts, super popular. But then another creator saw the same style and thought, what if I used this for Fortnite? So he did. Same music, same type of narration, same pacing. His fans noticed the similarity, but it still worked. Because the idea was strong and tailored to a new audience. You don't need to be original. You need to be strategic. Step 3. Hook viewers in the first 3 seconds. This is non-negotiable. The first 3 to 5 seconds of your short determine everything. If you don't grab attention immediately, people swipe, and the algorithm moves on. Think about it like this. If you walked into a cinema and the first scene was boring, would you stay? Probably not. And online, people are even less patient. Your hook should either present a mystery the viewer wants solved, promise value, or entertainment if they watch till the end. Target a broad audience with a familiar topic. Let's say you're doing a short about football. A video about an unknown footballer probably won't perform as well as one about Ronaldo. Why? Because even people who don't watch football know Ronaldo. That wider recognition equals more clicks, more watch time. Step 4. Nail the script like a storyteller. Here's the part most people overlook: the script. You can have the best idea in the world, but if your script doesn't keep people watching, you'll lose them halfway through. Your script should flow like a story, even if the short is just 30 seconds long. Think of your script like this: hook in the first few seconds, build curiosity in the middle, deliver a payoff at the end. Don't give away the punchline too early, and don't add fluff just to hit a certain time. Every sentence needs to earn its place. Keep it tight, engaging, and full of forward momentum. And if you're aiming for a longer short, let's say over 40 seconds, make sure you're giving people a reason to stick around. Curiosity is your best friend. Step 5. Simple editing, smart execution. You do not need to be a master editor. I made all my shorts with AI-generated voiceovers, basic editing software, and simple tools. Editing isn't about flashy effects. It's about pacing. Keep your cuts snappy. Avoid holding on a single frame for too long. You're not making a documentary. This is fast, attention-based content. Also, don't underestimate sound design. Ambient sounds, background music, and smooth transitions matter. Captions. Everyone uses them in shorts for a reason vibe. Make sure the music and energy match the tone of your content. Think of your edit as the packaging. A great idea with a lazy edit won't get far, but a decent idea with a solid edit, that can take off. Step 6. Stay consistent and improve every time. Here's the real secret. You don't go viral by chance. You go viral by showing up every day. I posted daily for months, even when nothing was blowing up. But every short helped me get better. My hooks got stronger, my edits got tighter, my ideas evolved, and eventually, one hit. From there, I understood what worked and doubled down on it. So, don't expect your first 10 videos to go viral. They probably won't. But each one is a stepping stone. If you're consistent, strategic, and always improving, you'll break through. Final thoughts. You don't need a fancy camera. You don't need thousands of followers. You don't even need perfect English or top-tier editing skills. All you need is a clear strategy, good ideas, smart execution, and the discipline to stay consistent. I started this journey as a 17-year-old student with limited time. 6 months later, I'd made thousands of euros, built a real audience, and learned skills that will help me for the rest of my life. And the best part? You can do it too. Now it's your turn.